Hi guys, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Am I perfectly audible to everyone? I hope I am. Okay, cool. Okay, cool guys. Yeah, cool. We can get started. Again, welcome everyone. Thank you for being there in the session. I'm Abhishek. I'll be your host speaker for today. And yeah, let me introduce myself. Let me uh, put my LinkedIn in the chat and you can let me know about we can connect on LinkedIn once. Yeah, yeah, this is my LinkedIn. I am Abhishek. I have done my bachelor's and master's from IIT. I have worked for corporate with big brands like Jaguar Land Rover, Samsung. I have done tremendous work in terms of research as well, with patent and with research papers and book. So yeah, I'm happy to help you in whatever way you need me. And this is my LinkedIn profile. We can get connected, and I would love to have a chat with you. Okay, cool. So let's get started. Let me show you how exactly the session will move ahead. So basically, what we will be starting with is that we will be exploring uh, the Q&A. Okay, it is not a one-to-one Q&A, it's a one-to-many Q&A. It means that whatever question you are going to ask, you have to be very careful about uh, it should not have any follow-up questions. Okay, there are two ways in which we can have an interaction. One is you can write that in the chat. Okay, there would be a you would be able to chat to host and panelist, so you can write your questions in the host and panelist chat. Me and my team would be responding to that. That is one option. Another option is that you can raise your hand and me and my team would be unmuting you and letting you speak in one by one fashion. Okay, so these are the two options how which we can have a one-to-one interaction in the chat. Okay, so this is how we will move ahead. Cool, let me share my screen and we can get started. So please remember, whoever raises their hand first will be someone who would be given the first chance. Okay, so that is how it will work. Cool. Okay, let's get started. Let me share my screen. You can let me know if once my screen is visible to you. Okay, I hope my screen is visible to you. Cool. Yeah, perfect. Cool, guys. Now we can get started. You can raise your hand one by one, and me and my team will let you unmute, and we can go ahead with this. So yeah, yeah, guys. You can raise your hand or you can write your query in the chat. I will be answering that. Yeah, cool guys. You can raise your hand if you have any doubts, or you can feel free to write your doubts in the chat. I'm here to answer. Hi Devani. Yes.
हेलो सर। जी मुझे ये क्वेश्चन था कि जो जो हमारा जो ये जूम पर होता है जो लाइव सेशन और वो क्यूएनए सेशन,
हम्म।
वो उसमें रजिस्टर नंबर लिखना है कि वो हमारा जो दूसरा नंबर है वो भी चलेगा? क्योंकि मेरी जो अटेंडेंस है वो काउंट नहीं हो रही है लास्ट 3 अटेंडेंस की लाइव सेशन की।
ओके ओके। ठीक है ठीक है। uh, ये दिस आई थिंक योर रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर वुड बी अ गुड आइडिया। आप रजिस्ट्रेशन में लिख दे, दैट वुड बी बेटर।
जी वो मैंने लास्ट जो 2 टाइम्स जो लेसन मैंने अटेंड किया था उसमें लिखा था, लेकिन वो अभी जो एलएमएस पोर्टल में जो अटेंडेंस है उसमें काउंट नहीं हो रहा है,
हम्म।
उसमें एब्सेंट बता रहा है।
ओके ओके, तो आप इफ यू कैन सी, आप यहाँ पे एक चैट का ऑप्शन है जहाँ पे आप होस्ट एंड को होस्ट को चैट लिख सकते हैं। टीम B10X करके आ रहा होगा। आप उनको एक बार अपना नाम और अपना एनरोलमेंट नंबर ये सब मेंशन कर दीजिए, और बता दीजिए कि योर अटेंडेंस इज नॉट मार्किंग और माय टीम विल लुक
ठीक
इनटू
है।
दिस। ठीक है
ठीक है।
है ना? ओके। परफेक्ट। If you are confused about where you can raise your hand, there is an option to raise your hand in the below option. There will be an option to with your control and stuff, where you can find the option to raise your hand. Right. React option would be there in the where your audio is there, video is there, and all these things are there. There will be an option of React. Hi, Shailendra.
Hello, yeah, hi sir. My name is Shailendra, and I'm already working as a senior business analyst. I have attended all the live sessions which has happened. However, most of the sessions are majorly focusing on data analysis part. So
Okay.
I have two queries.
Mhm.
First, from where I can see the syllabus of this entire course so that I can make sure that I will attend the courses which are more specific to me. Moreover, I need to understand how I can utilize all these sessions for business analysis as well, because I majorly work on functional specification documents, where documentation is required, wireframing is required. So I wanted to use AI for generating wireframes, mockups, UI and UX part. Apart from that, I also want to generate data structures and DFD diagrams. So I need to understand how we can focus the same uh, on same as well.
Okay, okay, sure. Let's take it one by one. Okay.
Sure.
The first issue that you are having is like the course is more focused on the. Okay, so can you tell me exact course name in which you are enrolled in? I might not have that data. So, what is the name of your course which you are part of? Shailendra? Shailendra, are you there? Hmm.
Yeah, just give me a moment. I'm looking forward to the name which under which I have enrolled.
Okay. Don't worry. Even whatever be the name of the course, uh, you can find the schedule on the LMS portal itself,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is where that is the place where you can find the schedule
Okay.
for the upcoming classes, upcoming sessions we have. Okay.
Perfect.
For the
Per-
Q&A session, we generally have it on Wednesday. Okay.
okay. Perfect.
Yes. So this is the this is this. I hope this answers your first question.
Right. Exactly.
Yes. Now, what was your second question? Can you?
Now
Mm,
I wanted to
mm.
focus on modules which are associated or which focuses on business analysis specific to IT sector.
Okay, okay, perfect. Once you look into your course, you will find modules. You have to pick up modules like Power BI or data visualization
Oh,
or Python, uh,
uh-huh.
machine learning or data science using AI. These kind of
Okay.
modules should be there. Okay, kind of. So these are some of the modules, or these are some of the topics that you have to look into. Module name might be different,
Okay.
topic name might be different, but
Okay.
the core skills will remain the same. It would be Python, something
Okay.
on machine learning side,
Okay.
something on the agent side,
Mm.
and on the visualization side. So these are the four areas where you will be uh, you should focus on.
Okay, perfect. And are we going to focus on coding part as well, or is it majorly associated with AI, the front end part only?
Yeah, it's like it's a combination of both.
Mm-hmm.
It's coding as well as we use AI for most of the part as well. So yeah,
Right.
it's a combination of both the things. If you want to hard code, write all those things in a hard code way, you can write it in a hard code way.
Okay. Perfect, perfect. So we'll be getting all this information, the kind of code snippet which we have to use in order to generate all these visualization
Correct,
kind of stuff,
exactly.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. Moreover, I need to understand that
Mhm.
at one place it was mentioned that we'll be using Power BI, and somewhere else I have read that we'll be working on Tableau. So are both the same thing or they are different platforms?
Tableau and Power BI.
Right.
Hmm. So Power BI was created is created and managed by Microsoft, and
Okay.
Tableau is created and managed by Salesforce. So
Okay. Okay.
in
Okay.
terms of the organization, that's the only difference they have.
Right.
Who created it? In terms of usage, they both are used for visualization.
Mm-hmm.
Some there are some pros for Power BI. There are some pros and cons for Tableau as well. Okay, so
Okay.
each of these tools have different pros and cons. But yeah,
Okay.
at the end of the day, both are used to solve the data visualization problem we have.
Okay. And are we going to cover both the tools?
I need to check that, but you can ask that. You can look into your schedule
Sure.
of the on the LMS portal. I think
Will
that. because it can keep on changing from last batch to maybe in the next batch, or depending upon the requirement, depending upon the course you are enrolled in. So it
Right.
varies according to it.
Right. And let's say I'm not able to attend any of the Q&A session. So
Mhm.
is there any place or platform or module using which I can connect with a live faculty in case I want to discuss anything?
Yeah, for if you want to connect with me, I have dropped my LinkedIn in the chat. I will
Perfect.
drop it again,
Hmm.
so you can text me anytime on my LinkedIn. I would be
Sure,
happy
sure.
to connect with you on one to one.
Perfect. I'll certainly get in touch with you on LinkedIn in case I have any query. Thank you so much, sir.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Okay, cool. Hi, Jai Shikran.
Hello. Yeah,
Yeah,
Abhishek.
hi Jai. Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, last week I had a session, one of our sessions where I had learned how to create a website. Okay. So
Okay,
I tried it and I'm able to create a website.
great.
But however, I'm just trying to publish it.
Hmm.
It is asking some kind of a details where the later have to pay for the site actually. So I don't know how to proceed on that for a free version. Okay,
Okay.
so the background is like I used Firebase actually, Google Firebase to build an application.
Ah, okay. Got the idea. Cool. Uh, so for Firebase, it might ask for, of course, it might ask for some amount after a certain limit. Uh, why not you have created using any other free tool other than Firebase?
Okay, the reason I've used Firebase is like it's a Google app, right? So
Mm-hmm.
that's the only reason I just chosen a Firebase. But however, I can go for a lovable site as well.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Um, but
Maybe.
looks like I have an account in the Google, so therefore I can access, right.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, that's the reason I just used the Firebase. So then you suggest go for a free version, right? If so, then can you please share me like kind of a few free version tools where I can build and publish it on the cloud?
Yeah, sure, sure. Mm. Yeah, there are a lot of free versions. If you free apps that can, there is something like, if you want to, let's say there your aim is backend and backend related services like authentication, database, storage, serverless functions, and stuff like that. So one very popular option that comes into my mind was uh, that is Supabase. Supabase is a Firebase alternative. It is an open source. The free tier is available, so you can use that. Then there is AppWrite, there is Parse, there is nhost, there is AWS Amplify. Then there is Pocket Base. If you want to, if you are focused on, let's say, mobile app based publishing and hosting, uh, Netlify, Render can be the good options. Render I have used a lot. So yeah, these can be popular options for it.
Okay, I think if you don't mind, could you please
Yeah,
share in the chat so that
sure.
I will use as a reference.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I will drop that in the chat.
Okay, and that is one thing. And the second thing is like even I can develop a website and I can publish online as well, right?
Yes.
Would that be an issue?
Sorry, you can publish the website.
Yeah, I can publish a website on sorry, online, right? It means that cloud where I can access my site.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Okay, so my question is like, oh, sorry, sorry for thought is like what I'm going to develop with the vision, right? Public on a cloud as well.
Jayashekhar, your voice was breaking slightly. Can you repeat that last part again?
Okay, so the last part is like I can publish to a cloud as well, right? Instead of having in a local.
Yeah, yeah, you have to publish in the cloud. Yeah, that's what we
Uh,
are looking at.
Okay, okay,
Yes.
fine, thank you then. And for maybe the
Hmm.
second question is like I'm a senior test engineer. Okay, so right now I just started working on a REST API,
Mm-hmm.
right? And I'm not sure about the security violation on that client data, right? Uh, is this recommend to use a free version with the client data?
Yeah, if the data is on the client side, I think you can invest. It's better idea to have a more secure version. Although the free versions are good enough, but you never know. There might be some leakage here and there. So if you're using it from very popular platforms like Render, you are using AWS Amplify, you are using these platforms. If you're using, they are very safe. Then you don't have to worry on any of these side. But if you are using any new app that is latest or that is giving free, there might be some leakages here and there. So it's better to spend some if you're getting it from the client. So spend some amount on it and yeah, get it done rather than not spending it and getting compromised with the client's data.
Okay, fine then. And I have a question on the prompting a message. Okay, so shall I use a client kind of requirements for the prompting?
Client kind of a requirement. I didn't get it.
Let's say there's a requirement from client side, right?
Mhm.
Shall I use the exact requirement while prompting a message, or how I can do that?
If that see at the end of the day, the prompt that whatever prompt you are writing um,
Mhm.
to any of the LLM tool, you just need to make sure that that particular prompt is not hampering, or that particular prompt is not having anything that is sensitive to the client. Okay, if you are able to just make sure that your prompt is safe enough, it is not targeting, or it is not having anything specific to the client or personal to the client, you're good to go. There is no absolutely no issues in copy pasting the complete requirement document, or even uploading the entire requirement document as well. It's completely fine.
Okay. So right now I'm facing challenges like, I went to a corporate company where they blocked a few free version sites as well. Let's say for instant lovable site, right? They blocked it actually. Uh, so this can use free versions tool
Mm.
in the company.
They have blocked what? They have blocked the lovable and these kind of free sites. Is that
Right. Exactly. Yeah. Yeah.
okay? And what you are looking at right now?
No, I don't know how to use kind of a free versions where though they blocked it. Is there any option for me to use a version?
Mm. Yeah, there is an option to what? I am not getting it. Like what exactly you are looking at? You want to you are looking at a
Okay.
paid version of it, or your free version is, or you want to know like there is some free version that will work in my company's website, company uh, laptop.
Okay. Okay. So maybe I will rephrase my question. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
in a company, so I'm using a company laptop, right? So they're not allowing to access all the sites. So by having some criteria, they blocked some websites, right? Which includes free versions as well. Let's say for an instant lovable sites where I
Mm-hmm.
can use to develop a web application. But in company laptop, they're not allowing it to use that app, right? In such a cases, I don't know how to proceed in that cases, right? Let's say if I want to do some POC in a office laptop, I'm unable to do it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So how to rectify this then?
See, at the end of the day, you and me know that this is going to be difficult. Okay, and this is not going to be something we will be doing it very legally, kind of, right?
Yep.
So, I would suggest you to use um, some of the platforms like Amazon Q is one of the good platform. You can use Amazon Q there. Then, if you see,
Okay.
yeah, Amazon Q is the one you can use that. Uh, Microsoft Copilot is another that corporate don't block it. Chat GPT sometimes corporate don't block it. So these are the
Yeah.
three. Yeah, Cursor they might not have blocked it. So use these three, four populars LLM tools. They might not have blocked these LLM tools. Or yeah, generally
Yeah. Of
they
course.
they
Yeah.
come with integration on VS Code side. So yeah.
Yeah. You're right. Yeah, I can use Copilot Chat GPT, but
Mhm.
however, I was, the lesson was taught to me is like using an to generate a website like other than this Chat GPT or Copilot, right? So I haven't tried it to build a app using a Copilot,
Mhm.
but I don't know whether I'm able to do it or not. Maybe you can just help me so that going forward I will use the ChatGPT to build an application.
Mhm. Yeah, you can use ChatGPT to build an application. Even if you want to use Google based services, Google AI Studio is there. You can use that, and yeah, then there is anti gravity that you can use. The Google latest invention, anti gravity. That is something that
Uh,
you can use. Yeah, yeah, you can use these kind of tools for building it, and I don't think any company will block it by any chance. Yeah,
okay then. Thank you then.
yeah.
That's what I just have in mind to check with you. Thank you. Thanks for your insight.
Thank you, Raj. Please. Hi Shivam.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, Shivam, please.
Sir, actually, I want to know
Mm-hmm.
like we can make a front end through Lovable or any Vibe
Mm-hmm.
code application. But what about for a back end? And how can align it from the front end, the application like Lovable or Vibe code platform?
um, you want so yeah, of course the backend can also be built. If you see, have you explored platforms like the one that I was talking about with Shailendra? The one was anti-gravity. Have you explored anti-gravity now by any chance?
Yes, I heard about and
Yeah. Hmm.
uh, super base also. But
So
mm, but I want to assure to know that they are mm, mm, there is not any misunderstanding between aligning them. If I align them, so is there a possibility of mistake when I was aligning them?
you were aligning what, backend with front end?
Yes, or like data when I store data in backend. So is there any possibility of misunderstanding?
Yeah, of course. See, at the end of the day, backend will not store the data. Backend is backend can act as an interface, which will a kind of interface which will be there between the between the data. Let's say you have a data on this side, and you have a your UI requires the data. Your app, your website requires the data. So backend will act in the middle layer that will help you to
Yes.
communicate with the between the place where you have stored the data and your UI, which requires the data actually. Okay. So I think so the backend will not store the data. First thing. Second thing, when you're trying to align with it, try to get some idea, or try to create the backend on the language which you already know. Right. Don't try to make it on a language which is new to you itself. Right. So the language should be known to you. That should be your first priority. And if it is known to you, then it would be great. You can uh,
I know some, but I forget uh, because of time gap.
that's all right.
That
So that's why I'm asking that how should I align them without not going deeply in tech?
Hmm. Yeah, you can align with these using these higher proprietary tools like anti-gravity is there. GPT. See, the better tool you use, the lesser amount of code or lesser amount of debugging you have to do at the end of the day. Okay, that is the biggest thing. So if you want to be someone who does not want to um, kind of interact with the tool, right? Interact a lot, don't want to interact a lot with the tool, go ahead, create your full end-to-end website, end-to-end web application or app from these popular tools, and then you don't have to interact with them manually at all. Yeah. For example, if I show you, I will upload it on my GitHub as well. There is a app that I created, a website that I created in HTML, JavaScript, CSS, using anti-gravity, that works on the real-time basis, and it I don't have to like manage anything at any point. Right, there was zero debugging that I needed to do there. So yeah, I just created it with one prompt, and it was interactive. It was working with hand gestures. So yeah, it was cool. So at the end of the day, it's how good prompt you write, and how better tool you are using. Yeah.
Till I have to recreate and recreate until I get the final um, final stage of what I want.
Hmm. For me, let's say if we are building a bigger tool, right? So yeah, at the end of the day, we have to keep on trying until the LLM gives the right answer. Or if you have some idea about the tech that it is using, try to debug on your own. That can save you a lot of time. Otherwise it will sometimes these tools go into hallucination. That is, they try to keep give start giving the similar kind of answers again and again without looking much into different things, like without moving ahead. So these are the things that they can get into. So it's better to have it, mm, like it's better to have it in the.
Okay, I will message you on LinkedIn. Please connect me. Please accept my connection.
Yeah,
So I will consult with you about prompt or for the final prompt that what should I enter. So I will get the uh, exact results.
yeah, sure. You
You
can
can
let
help
me know
me.
on LinkedIn. Yeah, you can let me know. We can help. I can help you on LinkedIn. We can have a one-to-one as well where I can help you in creating that. That's all right. But for the backend
Actually,
development, mhm.
after your last session, I try to R&D about that. I try to R&D about that, but I stuck in that stage that how I get the final or like achievable result. So that's why I confused. So again, your class. So I think that I should try to connect you, and we will get the final result after one to one.
Yeah, sure. You can let me know. I can help you in on the one-to-one. That's
Okay,
all right.
thanks, thanks.
Yeah, thank you, Shivam. Okay, cool guys. There is a feedback form that will be shared in every sometime, so you can keep on filling the feedback form so that we don't have to wait till the end of the session to fill the feedback form. You can keep filling the feedback form uh, in the chat, and I would love to hear your feedback on my advices on how it is working and everything. Hi Shraddhan.
हाँ हेलो सर। मैंने इको हो रहा है।
Yes, there is an echo in your voice.
क्या करूँ अभी? हेलो।
Yes, Shraddhan.
हाँ
ठीक.
मैंने एक चीज क्या है ना सर, मुझे मिस्टी सिखाए थे, तो मिस्टी का क्या हुआ, वो जेमिनी एपीआई मैंने रिमोट से ऐड किया, लेकिन हर वक्त मैंने जब भी उसको ऐड करती हूँ तब भी वो मुझे, एक बार तो पहले काम किया लेकिन अभी वो काम नहीं कर रहा है, लोडिंग फेल लिख रहा है। जेमिनी बनाना भी सिलेक्ट कर रहा हूँ, फिर जेमिनी फ्लैश भी सिलेक्ट कर, फिर भी नहीं हो रहा है, 0 0 3 टाइप्स का एरर कुछ आ रहा है।
ओके, तो आप जेमिनाई पे जाके आप क्या कर रहे हैं एग्जैक्टली?
मैं स्क्रीन शेयर करूँ?
हाँ हाँ, प्लीज प्लीज। यस।
ओके, वो ठीक से नहीं आता। ओके।
ओके, अगर आप यहाँ पे नीचे देखेंगे तो यहाँ पे एक शेयर का बटन होगा। आप
थोड़ा
उस,
रुक।
हाँ।
अ, वो तो डेस्कटॉप में है, तो दूसरा वाला जो डॉक्टर श्रद्धांजलि साहू, उसका थोड़ा थोड़ा कीजिए। ये मैं आपको इसीलिए, उसमें माइक्रोफोन नहीं था, इसीलिए मैंने सिस्टम में उसको बंद कर मोबाइल में
ओके,
ऑन।
मैं समझ गया। ठीक है ठीक है, तो आप एक काम कर सकते हैं, अभी अगर अब उस डेस्कटॉप से ज्वाइन नहीं है तो आप एक काम कर सकते
ज्वाइन हूँ, मैं ज्वाइन हूँ, डेस्कटॉप में ज्वाइन हूँ।
हैं। ओके, तो आप कह रहे हैं ना कि आपका दूसरे डेस्कटॉप में था।
नहीं 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 नहीं, दूसरा ये वाला, दोनों आप देख सकते हो, ये वाला म्यूट।
हम्म,
तो कैसे कैसे करें? ये दूसरा वाला, ये वाला नहीं, डॉक्टर श्रद्धांजलि साहू जो है वो वाला।
हम्म, ओके।
ये हाँ, तो उसको वीडियो ऑन करना, क्या करना पड़ेगा?
मैं आपकी स्क्रीन नहीं देख पा रहा।
तो कैसे, क्या करके क्या करूँ तो देखेंगे आप? ये तो मोबाइल का है, दूसरा वाला डॉक्टर श्रद्धांजलि साहू जो है वही वाला, तो उसमें मैं रेज कर देती हूँ हैंड।
हाँ, उसमें आप रेस कर दीजिए हैंड, मैं आपको उसको अनम्यूट करता हूँ, है ना? एक मिनट दीजिए मुझे।
क्या लेकर आई वो जी?
या सो एक, आप उसमें रेज हैंड कर सकते हैं, श्रद्धांजलि, है ना? आई विल अनम्यूट यू वंस यू रेज योर हैंड। ओके, लेट मी टेक आकाश डाउट टिल देन। यस आकाश, प्लीज बताएं।
हाँ अभिषेक,
यस।
एक्चुअली मेरा डाउट ये है, मैंने जस्ट रिसेंटली B10X ज्वाइन किया, एंड मेरा जो बैच है मैंने 14 फेब इवनिंग सिलेक्ट किया है, 7 PM। बट
ओके।
रिसेंटली टेलीग्राम चैनल पे जो Q&A सेशन मैं अटेंड कर रहा हूँ, तो वो एग्जैक्टली कौन से एजेंडा जो डिस्कस हो रहे हैं, और उसके रिकॉर्डेड सेशन जो है ना, वो मुझे मेरे अकाउंट पे शो नहीं हो रहे, तो मुझे उसके रिगार्डिंग थोड़ी क्लियरिटी चाहिए। मैंने B10X व्हाट्सएप सपोर्ट पे किया था मैसेज, लेकिन कुछ अपडेट नहीं मिला मुझे।
ओके, गॉट इट गॉट इट। तो रिकॉर्डेड सेशंस आपको शो नहीं हो रहे हैं आपके एलएमएस पे, दैट इज व्हाट द इशू इज, है ना? आकाश, एम आई क्लियर?
यस यस।
ओके, ठीक है, आप एक बार
हाँ,
सब।
और
हाँ
और एक चीज
हाँ।
थी कि मेरी
हम्म,
बैच तो 14 से स्टार्ट होने वाली है, तो इफ आई अटेंड दिस क्वेश्चन Q&A सेशन, तो
हम्म,
मतलब थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन ये है कि बैच तो तब से स्टार्ट हो रही है, अभी तो मैं ये सेशन अटेंड कर रहा हूँ, तो समवट मेरा जो सिलेबस रहेगा या कंटेंट रहेगा, तो मुझे सेल्फ लर्निंग करके करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन थोड़ा सा डाउट ये है कि कुछ उसमें कुछ डाउट वगैरह आता है, तो मैं ये सेशन में भी अगर पूछूं तो चलेगा, या फिर जब मेरा सेशन स्टार्ट हो जाएगा 14 फेब से, तब से पूछना पड़ेगा?
नहीं, आप क्यू एन ए सेशन इज ओपन टू ऑल। तो आप इस सेशन में आप हर वेनेसडे को आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, और आप आपको जो पूछना है आप वो पूछ सकते हैं, इररिलेवेंट ऑफ आपका कितना कोर्स हुआ है, आप कौन से मॉड्यूल पे हैं, राइट? इररिलेवेंट ऑफ दैट। ठीक है, सो यू कैन आस्क एनी डाउट एनीथिंग दैट यू वांट। ओके, एंड ठीक है, relevant to the topic. Then second thing about your recording not appearing on LMS, I think you can give it a chat to uh, in the chat there would be an option to message on host and team B10X. You can message them your email ID and your enrollment number or something unique, and they will look into the backend from the LMS. And also there will be a support contact that my team would be sending you in the chat. Okay, you can mail the support team about this issue as well. Okay.
Okay, actually, I use BTNX bot chat. So over there, I mentioned my question.
Okay.
So I got a number. After before that, I called the person. मतलब जब मैंने रजिस्ट्रेशन करा था तब मैं जिनसे बात हुई थी उनसे इंटरेक्शन किया था, तो उन्होंने बताया कि बैकएंड टीम को मैंने इन्फॉर्म किया है।
Hmm.
ये मैंने कल डिस्कशन किया था। सो दूसरा नॉर्मली 7:30 का टाइमिंग होता है ना क्यू एंड सेशन का, तो मुझे लगा वो टाइम पे अगर कुछ चांस मिला तो मैं चैट में पूछ लूँ।
Hmm.
तो फिर से ठीक है, मैं एक बार व्हाट्सएप सपोर्ट पे कांटेक्ट करके देखता हूँ,
हाँ,
अगर
एक बार
मिल जाए
मेल
तो
करके
सॉल्यूशन।
देखिए, गिव इट अ ट्राई टू अ मेल, या मेल करके
ओके
देखिए। ठीक है, इफ दैट डजंट वर्क लेट मी नो। ठीक है, मैं नेक्स्ट Q&A में आई विल टेक इट अप। ठीक है, वैसे LMS का
ओके
इशू है तो मोस्ट प्रोबब्ली सपोर्ट टीम विल बी एबल टू लुक इनटू दैट, उसमें इशू नहीं होना चाहिए, है ना।
ओके ओके।
जनरली रिकॉर्डिंग्स टेक 24 to 48 hours to appear in the portal, so
एक्चुअली मैंने लास्ट 3 सेशन अटेंड किए लेकिन एक भी सेशन की रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं मिली, तो मैं सेकंड सेशन से मतलब क्वेश्चन रेज किया कि आई डिडंट गेट रिसीव्ड एनी नोटिफिकेशन रिगार्डिंग द रिकॉर्डेड सेशन वगैरह,
ऐसा,
इसलिए।
हाँ ऐसा होना तो बहुत मुश्किल है कि 3 सेशन की रिकॉर्डिंग ना मिली हो, राइट। सो गिव इट अ चेक, गिव इट अ चेक, एक बार आप उनको चेक दें, है ना। एक बार
ठीक है
सपोर्ट टीम से चेक करें, होपफुली 99% चेक रिकॉर्डिंग वुड बी देयर।
ठीक है, मैं ट्राई करता हूँ। ओके,
श्योर
थैंक
श्योर
यू।
श्योर, थैंक यू आकाश। ओके, वी कैन गो टू, हाय जॉदीप।
Hello, good evening.
यस, वेरी गुड इवनिंग।
Yeah, I like to know. I was trying yesterday about Anna's archive
हम्म।
to download, but the server is down. Is there any alternative website that is available?
Which website you were trying?
Anna's archive for downloading PDF books.
Got it. Let me send you in the chat. Alternative for Anna's website. Anna's
ओके
site.
Another thing is that
Hmm.
uh, I have already put it into the Google form about my query on. Can you please elaborate VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, thanks.
Just a second. Okay. Yeah. So VLOOKUP, if you see, both of these features are used when you want to search in any of these data into the Excel or Google Sheet, right? So VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup, HLOOKUP stands for horizontal lookup majorly, right? So that's the core idea behind them. Now, if you talk about the detail of comparison between them, see, VLOOKUP searches vertically, like it searches from top to bottom, okay, and looks for a value in the first column and returns the value from a column to the right, okay, and okay. So VLOOKUP we generally use when there is date is arranged in a column or ID or keys are in the first column. For example, there is customer ID versus the customer place. So you want to find the customer place in the Excel sheet. VLOOKUP is something that you can use for a corresponding ID. You can get a corresponding place of that particular customer. Now comes the case where HLOOKUP is used for. So HLOOKUP, horizontal lookup, it searches local horizontally from left to right. VLOOKUP search from top to bottom. HLOOKUP search from left to right, and it looks for a value in the first row, right? And it returns a value from a row below it. Okay, so now here the data is arranged in rows, okay, and the headers are in the first row. In the first row there are all the headers, and in second row there would be second data, the third data set, third, fourth, and stuff like that, right? So data is arranged in the rows and header are the first rows. Okay, for example, you want to find the sales in the first row and returns the value from row for number 4, right? So there in that case h lookup can be used for, right? For example, in the sales column you want to return the top fourth or the top fourth sales product, sold product. So you can look for it using the H lookup. But if you try to use in this scenario, if you try to use V lookup, it won't work. Okay, because V lookup looks for a vertical column. So whenever you want to look, for example, I'll give you a simple trick for it. See, whenever you want an output from a row, use H lookup. If whenever you want an output from a column, use V lookup. If you want an output from a row, use H lookup. Simple. Okay, both of them starts from first column and first row respectively. They VLOOKUP returns the right side columns, and HLOOKUP returns the lower rows, any of the lower rows. Okay, majorly we generally use VLOOKUP in case of Excel. HLOOKUP is not very popularly used. Yeah, I hope that clears your doubt. Yeah, Jodi.
Yes, I understood little bit of it. Can you please show me in Excel so that I can understand?
Okay, share let me share my screen and show you. Just give me a second. Okay, Jodip, can we cover in after Sudarshni doubt?
Yeah,
I
yeah. Okay, okay, okay.
I need to like find out the Excel and I will show you that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Please.
Yes. Yeah. Shraddhanjali. Sudar Shraddhanjali, can you hear us? Shraddhanjali, we can hear you. You can like try rejoining or try to change your microphone setting. I think there might be some issue with that. Okay, let me. Yeah, yeah, Shraddhanjali. Give it a try now. Try to share your screen now. I can see your screen, but I can't hear you.
Kindly Hollywood is
Yes, Shraddhanjali, now you're audible. What you are saying?
uh, I log in Misty and I add this Gemini Pro. Still, it's not working.
Okay, okay. Now I can see your screen. Can you go back?
Yes.
Failed after 3 attempts last time.
Select Gemini Flash, Gemini Banana, ये सब है, but still not working.
Mm. Your free trial quota has been exceeded. Like you can't use.
But
Hmm.
Gemini is free.
Yeah, the Miss Studio in that Gemini 3. If you go to Google and if you type Gemini 3, can you go to Google once?
Okay. Google.
Yeah.
Google Gemini.
Yeah, yeah. You can open Chrome and go to Gemini.
Gemini.
Yes.
Gemini.
Yeah. Just Gemini. Just type Gemini in Google.
Gemini.
Hmm.
Then
Yeah. Just just press. I can't see your screen. Can you?
your skin is, yes, this is visible.
No, it's not visible. You can stop sharing your screen and reshare your complete screen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sharing screen. Google, yes. Share. Can you share? Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen. Yes. Yeah. Now you can see. You can type anything. Give it a try to this. This is Gemini 3.
It not working in Misty. My question is that
Hmm. Yeah, because the free trial has expired. You have to like re-log in with a new account, most probably. And
every time
you
add remotely in Misty, every time I add API for this.
yeah, free trial comes up with the limit. So yes, ideally. But
Okay.
yeah, but you can use other platform as well. Yeah, explore other like Google AI Studio is what you can explore as well.
Its API also free.
API, you want an API integration or you want the API of the tool itself? How or any of them?
I need a Misty for remotely work in my system.
Mm,
That's why I add some, but still not work model.
mm.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen, but I am not getting it. Like, what exactly is your use case? Can you explain me that? Why
I I
exactly? This.
I want a Misty. I want to test Misty for or API tools. I only add the Google Gemini, not OpenAI, not any other DeepSeek, nothing.
Okay, got it. Got it. Cool. Got the idea. Got the idea. So there are a lot of tools. Let me send you a list of those tools in the chat. There is Insomnia. Insomnia is there. Rester is there. There is Curl. There is Paw. There is Swagger UI. So these are a lot of tools that you can use. है ना?
Yes.
है ना? Let me send you a
All
list.
are free. All are
Yes.
free.
Yes, for
Free
API
API.
testing. Yeah, for API and tool testing that you are mentioning, these can be free. Yeah,
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
yeah. Thank you. Cool, cool. Okay. I can see some of the people are not able to raise their hand. Webov, if you can see an option of React in the below, and then there is an option to raise your hand. Can you find that, Webov?
Hello.
Webov? Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, Webov.
Yeah. Okay. So I have basically two questions. Like, am I audible?
Yeah, you are perfectly audible.
Okay. So I had attended four live sessions till date.
Mhm.
Okay, and like we had got learning on many AI tools and what are the different application. But
Correct.
like as we are part of private organization, we are not able to use those AI app or tools in the organization due to privacy policy.
Mhm.
So, how to overcome this challenge and how to inbuild this learning in our day-to-day work? That is first question. And the second question was in last session, Varun has taught us to build games and application web apps on Firebase site. Uh,
Okay.
but like I was not able to publish. It was asking some payment information.
Yeah, see, payment information is fine. Just read it carefully that it should not ask for the payment. Okay. See, payment information it might be asking for in the future. You will they might require the credit card or stuff like that. So
Mhm.
that is all right. Even if you use AWS, free AWS free trial also requires mm, this credit card information. They don't deduct anything. They just want to verify the account. That's it. Nothing else.
Oh,
So giving that is all right until unless it is not deducting. Just read it, the instructions carefully. It won't be deducting anything. Okay. If you still find like if you still getting confused, like you give it a quick, do a quick chat GPT or watch it on free on YouTube and give it a
mhm.
check like how this is working free or you are following the same steps or not. Or you can see the Varun's recording as well on the LMS. Yeah.
Okay, but Varun hasn't like mentioned about publishing that. Like he hadn't
Ah.
shown us that step.
Okay. What was the app that you were using?
Uh, it was Firebase, I guess. I can confirm.
Mm. No worries. Whatever be the app, I think there are always a free version and these kind of things.
Studio.firebase.google.com.
Hmm. Cool. Cool. Yeah, you can use Google AI Studio as well. There is another platform, Google AI Studio. You can use that as well. It has free publishing option as well, so you can use
Okay.
that. Yeah, there are other alternative that I mentioned in the chat. Someone also asked the same doubt. So there are other alternatives that I mentioned in the chat. You can use them as well.
Okay.
Let me know if next time if this doesn't work.
Okay. And regarding the first question, what you will suggest?
Uh, this is a good question. See, at the end of the day, um, we have to abide with the organization access and this part, right? Because we can't do anything much on the side, right? If organization does not allow, it doesn't allow. Simple. There is no if and but in that.
Okay,
Mm.
but in order to get it,
Yeah, in order to use for it, there are standard tools that the organization allows generally. First one of them being your Google AI Studio. Then there is Copilot of Microsoft. Then there is some, most of the time they allow OpenAI Chat GPT as well. And then there is, if they don't allow any of these, Amazon Q is something that they would be definitely be allowing. So these are all similar kind of platforms, similar chatbot, similar agentic behavior. um, Slight difference in terms of the accuracy and the parameters around, but yeah, for you, moreover, the feel of using the tools will remain the same. If even if you want to integrate AWS Q, AWS Amazon Q on your VS Code, it will integrate seamlessly, and it would create a file, edit your file, help you debug the file, has the access to terminal, has the access to AWS console as well.
okay.
Yeah, so it's
I've heard like from few other colleagues that they're planning to use windsurf, but are we going to add this in our sessions, or do we plan to have 1:1 session with
mm,
going ahead in order for like better understanding?
windsurf. I need to check with the instructor and mentors team. Like according to your course curriculum, like where exactly we can fit that in place and how
Mhm.
we can cover that. So I need to check it on with the team once.
Okay, yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, we can move to next. Yeah, we can move to next. Hi, Sheikh. Hello, Sheikh. I can't hear you. Sheikh, I can't hear you. Let me move on. You can try rejoining, Sheikh, and ask your doubt. Yeah. Hi, Amia.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Yeah. Very good evening.
Is it audible, sir?
Yeah, you are perfectly audible. Please.
Sir, I am joined on 17th January,
Okay.
first that batch, evening 7:30 p.m.
Okay.
And after 20, I got both session recording 17 as well as 18. Okay.
Hmm.
And a few days back, I already it was deleted in LMS portal or what? From 21 onwards, whatever question answer session as well as recordings I am getting. But 17 and 18, I was missing, I think, in LMS portal. So can you check it that?
Okay, Samia. What you can do is, you can hmm, you can write this query in the chat, uh, and me and my team will look into that, because this is something on the support side, on the LMS side. So I will ask my team to look into that. Don't worry.
Okay. And the second thing, this question and answer session, I think it is allowed for previous batch also, current batch also, and upcoming batch also, same time.
Yeah, this is kind of open batch, open to batch. If you are getting an invite, of course you are a part of this Q&A, and yeah, you can ask anything that you want.
So little bit rectification is required if you'll allow us.
Yeah, sure, please.
Uh,
Mhm.
so we have started our new batch from 17 onwards, 17 Jan onwards. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
if some X batch which was started in November, yeah, December, okay. If they will join same batch and they will ask whatever the questions and that we are unable to attend till now, we are not attended or we are not covered till now in our syllabus, okay, and that
Correct.
kind of questions we are getting, maybe that syllabus we will face in later on, but
Mhm.
previously we are not attended and this kind of questions we will face, then means what, the time will be waste and we are unable to understand what they are asking. So batch wise, my opinion is that batch wise, can we arrange the QA session or is it not possible?
Okay. Okay. Good idea, Amir. Now, how exactly I look into it from this perspective? Imagine that you have joined the January batch. There is someone who
Uh,
is more experienced than your, okay, and you are able to listen to what are the problems, what are the challenges he's facing, or what are the things that he has done, he has able to achieve. For example, someone was sharing their screen, someone was not able to publish the code, someone was using Lovable, someone is asking out of cursor, so you would be able to understand and see a lot of things that are coming up. Okay, so this is a good opportunity for everyone who is not explored this side, but they can actually know in this session, like, okay, these are the things that are coming up, these are the challenges that we can face. So it's better to focus on the next session that is coming up and focus on these things specifically, because ultimately we can face similar kind of problems. So if you look at from this perspective, I think having a combined session would make sense. One thing. Second thing, since it's an open session, we you can ask anything that you want. You can even ask a question, and if you don't want to attend the rest of the Q&A, there are candidates who can drop off. There are candidates, so we generally start the session by what, 10 12 students, and we are like around 70 80 students and more than that now. So it grows to 300 students as well. So it completely depends upon how and what type of doubts the student wants to have, and every student, every candidate has their own experience, has their there has been a different journey that they have covered in terms of corporate, in terms of the personal life. So I think it's a good idea to see what other have explored, what other have achieved, and we can look forward to them, we can take the positive things from them. So I think, yeah, it for to me it is a good idea, Amir. um Having a combined session, I would be very happy to have a combined session. Yeah, that is my idea. Sounds good, Amir.
Exactly, sir. But as per your perspective, it is right. But
Mhm.
my perspective is that if same
Mhm.
session, question answer session will be conducting, the
Mhm.
question I don't have in or that question is not coming to my mind. If somebody is asking another questions or a group of person they are asking different kind of questions relevant to our syllabus, then we are also get benefit for that,
Mhm.
because later on we can get the syllabus and we will get some question answer session also. The group of students same syllabus they are raising their questions, and automatically it will be benefit to the other student also.
I got it out. I got the idea. I got the idea. That's why I mentioned in the start, like it's not a one-to-one session. It's always a one-to-many session. That it is a session for the people, and it will the session like by the people. Like you are the people who will ask anything that you want, and if I provide you that freedom, you can cover. You can ask your career things as well. You can mention few other things as well that are not much related to your academic, so that at the end of the day, if it is if look it in this way, like it might be problematic for you right now, but let's say you want to have a one-to-one discussion with me, or you want to ask me something other than your regular topic. This is a platform where you can ask me that. Okay, for example, not right now, maybe let's say after 1 month you realize like I wanted to talk to Abhishek about what should I do in this case right now, right? So but you won't be able to ask me in this call, right? And there would be no other second medium where you can ask me, right? So that is what this Q&A provides an opportunity to candidates. And of course what you can do is for what I generally suggest candidate, if in case you have a specific doubt, you can raise your hand in the right in the start. The session start at 6 p.m. IST. So you can raise your hand and you can ask your questions. And then if you think you don't have much time, you can drop off and you can watch the recording of the Q&A. In the Q&A recording, you can like skip the questions that are not relevant to you or that you have not explored. Yeah. That is my idea, but again I'll take your feedback and I'll discuss with my team on this. Okay, I mean,
Okay, sir. Okay.
yeah,
You just try to make a note. If it is possible, you can discuss with your team,
yeah.
and it will be better suggestion, and it is benefit for the student also.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay, sir.
Sure,
That's all.
sure.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Cool. Hi. Hi, Javed. Oh, okay.
Unmute, yes. Okay. I hope you can hear me, sir.
Yeah, Javed, I can hear you.
Yeah, thank you very much. So actually, sir, I am Oracle guy. I am, jack of all trades in Oracle, like ERP, financial, HCM, SCM, Oracle database, Oracle development,
Mm-hmm.
Oracle analytics. These four platforms I worked for 3 decades.
Mm-hmm.
Now I joined this AI accelerated program. So I want some guidelines for me that I can use my bird in hand, whatever I have, plus I can accelerate those things as a freelancer. Because right now I'm not working for last 1 year. So I'm joined with this program and I'm trying to learn, but I didn't see anything related to ERP, databases, or, analytics, related to Oracle or these things. So how I can relate this course with my current, bird in hand, whatever I have.
uh Okay, good question, Javed. I think one thing is that we have databases. Of course, we don't specify to use a particular organization-based database queries or database services like you mentioned for Oracle. Okay, we keep it very generic so that most of the candidates can use their in their organization. Let's say you make a transition from your current Oracle DB to another, uh, you can use that as well. The tools that we are exploring in this course. That's why it is designed to be more generic. Okay. I hope that answers your first question at least.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. This is okay. Additionally, I have C++, SQL, PLSQL expertise also for 3 decades. I'm very
Mhm.
good at that. So, how I can use these skills to be a freelancer kind of person or consultant who can get some, projects?
Got it. Got it. So the best idea about see in this particular course you will be getting the projects. Okay, there are a lot of projects that you can get in this course, and you will have an opportunity to create the course as in your own project as well. Now, what I suggest for candidates is if you want a very unique project, a good idea, a good option is always to look for research papers. Okay, look for research paper which where you can find a couple of projects there. right? So in every research paper, it can related to your domain that you're looking at. There can be a good project line there, okay, and it might not be the content of the project, you will be getting it from the research paper itself. It's only the code that you have to write. Some LLM tool can help you in writing a sample code for the research paper, and yeah, you will get the complete idea about the project end to end. So right, using research paper would be always a good idea that I advise to candidates to pick up any project. So yeah.
Sir, so these research paper where I can find, sir?
Yeah, there are a lot of websites where you can find the research paper. um, for example, archive is the one. It's very popular. Then there is Google Scholar, that is another. Then there is ResearchGate is another platform where you can find the research papers. So yeah, these are some of the popular platforms: ResearchGate, Google Scholar, archives. Yeah, you can search for
Yeah.
on IEEE as well. You can find a lot of research paper. ACM, you can find a lot of research paper.
Yeah. So I just want to express that, I like a frog of a well. I just work in three companies whole my life, and I didn't see outside what's going on all around. So now I'm laid off after, working for 3 decades. So now I'm really in trouble. So where I should go, what I do. That's why I joined this program. So it can help
Perfect.
me to, draw some, projects.
Got it. Got it. Got it.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Of course, that this is a good idea, and you are exactly at the right platform. I think. Yeah. The things that you are looking at, you will be definitely able to achieve that.
Yeah, yeah, I've seen some good things like Lovable, Make.com, and N8N. Also, there are some, automate thing to be automated. But I'm expert at, programming, especially C++, SQL, PLSQL, procedures, packages, these things. So I want to utilize those skills and
Hmm.
enhance those with AI.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Yeah. So definitely, you are at the right place, and I think your enhancement with in terms of AI, the practical application side of things, the domain that you are looking at, even multi-domain tasks, you will be getting from this course. So yeah, you are at the right place.
Look,
Yeah.
thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Okay. Cool, guys. Okay. I think it is. Um, yeah, I think it is the very right time to take a quick short break. Okay, everyone. Kanak, Gurudat, Srinivasa, Sanket, Shivi, um, Sheikh, Nutan. Is this a good time, guys? Can we have a quick 5 to 10 minutes break and we'll be back? It's been around 1.5 hours. So we have been on a journey. So can we have a quick break and we'll be back? Are you guys okay with that? Kanak, Sanket, everyone, Srinivas. Yeah. You can use this as a bio break or you can get hydrated yourself. Also, guys, in the chat, you can see there is a feedback form. Please fill the feedback form. Utilize your break in the feedback form. It would be really great. My team has sent the feedback form. So yeah, please fill the feedback form. That would be great. Okay, cool. Let's be back in it's 7:30. Let's be back at 7:40, and we'll continue from there. Okay, cool, everyone. Thank you. Have a good day. See you in 10. Cool guys, are we back? Everyone? Yeah, Bhavna, you might not be able to listen because we were on a short break. Hello Nikita. Hello everyone. Hello Manas. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Let me explain you how you can connect with me on LinkedIn. Okay. Let me show you that. I hope you all can see my screen. Okay, so let's say this is my profile. Okay, now what you can do is the better idea is always to you can just follow me. Okay, I will try to like follow back you, or what you can do is you can go to more, and then there is an option to connect. Now, if you click on connect, you would be once I accept your connection request, you would be able to message me. That is how it is. Okay, simple, cool. I hope that helps everyone. Yeah. Okay, cool. Let's get started. We will resume from where we were. Hi, Guru Dutt.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Hello, very good evening.
Yeah. So I yesterday there was a class of Mr.
Mm-hmm.
Varun Sahadev, and he had told us that he'd be giving us a resource, that downloadable resource. I'm unable to download and unable to see that resource.
Hmm. Okay, where exactly the resource was supposed to be
So
present?
he said they're upload in the portal
Hmm.
by Team
Hmm.
B10X. Or also he said that uh, he has uploaded that. He had sent it. So I'm unable to find that resource.
Okay, okay. Okay, drop a chat to the support team.
Yes, I
And maybe
sent that.
let.
Yes, I sent that.
Yeah, yeah, definitely they will help them.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Hello, Abhishek. How are you? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes, Evie, you are audible. Yes,
How are you?
I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
I am also good. Thank you for asking. I have attended your previous session as well. It was really helpful.
Great. Thank you so much.
And I've just created my GitHub account and I wanted to start building a data analytic project from scratch using AI, maybe as a simple website or app. Could you please guide me on how I should start and what would be the right first project for learning?
Yeah, yeah, sure, of course. Okay, let me share my screen, the other screen of it. Getting started with GitHub is easy. You just need to be precise on what exactly you are looking at. Okay. For example, if you see, let me open my GitHub account. There seems to be some lag. Yeah, it's loading. Yeah. So if you see here, now once you, in order to build a project, okay, the idea is simple. Like pick up any project, ask ChatGPT, give your resume, give your LinkedIn profile, and ask ChatGPT for what are the good projects that you can create. Okay, so that is one good option, right? So like ask ChatGPT to give possible options, and once you give possible options, you can start. He will start giving you the code. Or there is something called Google AI Studio. Yeah, you can explore Google AI Studio as well. In this Google AI Studio, you can ask anything to be created, and it would be created on the live basis. Okay. uh, yeah, so you can tell him what exactly you want to create. Let's say you want to create um, your own portfolio. Okay, so you can ask them to create, let's say you want to create a data analysis that you mentioned, right? So create a website for CSV data analysis that has um, visualizations and other capabilities. Okay, just, yeah, now you can just do it, and you can start on, click on build, and it will start building things up. You can see it will start creating HTML, JSON. It will start creating other things as well, like index.txt, type.ts, and other thing. And the review, that preview of the platform will be here on the right hand side. And you can regularly manage as well, like what exactly it will appear. Yeah, like you can go into the code and see how it is able to type the code on the live basis. You can check on the HTML, see HTML page that it has already completed. App.tsx is the file that it is writing right now. So you can let him write the complete file, and you can see it has completed the website. And now it will start showing you the code. So this is how the code of your website looks like. And now let's say you thought of publishing it, you want to deploy it. You want to save it to GitHub. So once you click on save it to GitHub, you can give it a repository name to it. Let's say you give it data analysis web portal. Okay, so that is all you give. Make it public. Yeah, description you need to provide. Let's say it is a platform for CSV based analysis. Okay, yeah, it will start creating the Git repo. Of course, you need to create your GitHub with it as well, and then it will start creating the GitHub repo. Now if you see loading the file differences, and this is the link where I can create. Okay, now you can see what are the things that it is adding, and you can stage and commit all the changes. Basically, you are pushing everything, your complete code, into GitHub, what the Google AI Studio has created. So it looks good. Now you can go to this link on GitHub, and you can see this is what it has been generated by Google AI Studio repository template. And this is how your complete has been created. Your README is there. How beautiful this looks. Your app is deployed on a live platform. You will get a link to the live platform as well. And yeah, everything is created for free, and everything is created in few minutes. Yeah. If you want to deploy this app, you can click on this deploy app button. You want to share the code, you want to download the app, you want to share the app, anything that you want, you can do it. Okay, so this is how you can create your any project that you want, and you can push it to GitHub with just one click. And you can you saw that how I easily pushed it into GitHub, and it created the complete README file. It created all the file that is required for the app. So I hope that clears your doubt, Shivi.
Yes, it clears my doubt. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, cool. Okay, we can move to next. Okay, who is next? Yeah, Nutan. Hi, Nutan. Nutan, are you there? Okay, Nutan seems not to be there. Newton, if you are there, you can raise your hand again. Yeah, Sheikh. Hi, Sheikh. I can't hear you, man. Mm, you can try rejoining or maybe re-raise your hand. I will unmute you. Hi, Srinivas.
Hello, good evening, Abhishek.
Yes.
How are you?
Yeah, all good, all good. How are you?
I am also good. So, can I ask one doubt
Mm-hmm.
uh,
Please.
regarding? I have said one app I have created no last week.
Mm-hmm.
On last session, I have said no about the app. So that app, can I share and once can I tell my doubt? What is the problem? What I am facing?
No, I didn't get you, Srinivas. What you were mentioning?
Last open session has happened, no, Abhishek, last
Mm-hmm.
week.
Mm-hmm.
In that, I have asked about one question regarding a full stack application. So I have built, I have said no, that
Yeah, yeah, you
application.
remember.
So in that, I'm getting some small issues. So can I share?
Yeah, please, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is my screen.
Yes, I can see your screen. Yeah.
Okay. This is the application which I have created.
Mm.
So, but it is ChatGPT clone.
Ah,
So,
perfect.
but if I am typing any message, it is giving this response, but I have to get the correct response. No, so what is the response? Why I'm getting like this?
Mm, okay, you can ask him to give the direct answers to him.
Uh,
Like from what is the platform that you have used to create it? AI Studio, Google AI Studio,
Lovable.ai.
Lovable.ai. Okay, so you
In
can.
that it is working, but
Hmm.
in my VS Code, after writing the code and executing, it is not working. So how to approach? How to get the approach?
Hmm. Hmm. Okay, can you open that lovable platform once?
One minute, sir. I am.
Take your time.
Hmm. Sir, I can't able to see. Means I think it was gone. I
Hmm.
am
Good.
getting other.
Okay, okay. So I'll tell you the prompt. So basically, you need to
Hmm.
mention that I want the answers. You need to tell him the issue. The issue is that you are not getting the answers in form of proper chat GPT way. You are like getting the question first, and then it is showing you the breakdown it things, right? So take a
Yes.
screenshot of it probably, and then try to give him. Tell him like what exactly is the issue. Okay, even if you have not done it from Lovable, you have the code. You can give it to Google AI Studio, and you can get it edited from them as well. So that's all right. That doesn't matter. Hmm.
You means I have code. So can I copy that code and what is the
Yep.
exact issue? We can
Yeah.
paste it and we can get the response.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, you can get the
Okay.
response from any of the platform. You don't have to
O-
rely on one platform basically. Okay.
Okay. And one more second question regarding Excel.
Mm-hmm.
So in yesterday one session happened Q&A. So I have given this data, sir, means employee data.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, so I have taken this data and for this I have applied these statistics. Means what is the salary, performance, and everything. So it is I am getting the using this formula I have created, sir. This one everything is fine, sir. So how to create the pivot table and pivot chart? That is the issue I am facing for this
Good.
data.
Ah, okay.
Pivot table.
Okay. If you go to insert option here in the above, if you go
Uh,
to insert option, hmm, and there is an option of pivot table. Yeah, correct. Click on pivot table. Yeah, from table and range. Yeah, click on that. Yeah, mention the table range. You can mention A1 to J16, basically the complete table. So A1, type A1, A1 colon colon
okay.
J16.
J16.
Yeah,
I got like
no J16, just J16. Yes, J16, and
mm,
yeah, press OK. Yeah, now you can see you have the pivot table fields. You can select any field on the right hand side. Let's say you want to select employee ID. Employee ID you can select, and employee name you want to select. Yeah, so yeah, you can apply filters, add columns, and anything. Now this is how you can add a pivot table. If you want to create a
uh,
pivot chart, you can go to insert option again on the left hand side. Hmm. There is an option to add chart. Yeah, pivot charts on the right hand side of it. On the right hand side, right. Right to the maps where maps are written. More right, more right. Yeah,
Okay.
pivot charts. Yes. Wait for it. It will appear.
Okay.
Go back to insert again. I think you have not clicked it properly. Hmm. Yeah.
Mhm.
Now you can select what type of chart you want. Pie chart, line chart, bar chart. Yeah, and click on OK. Yeah, now it will ask you what exactly you want. You want a pivot chart. What are the fields you want?
Okay.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah, you can select any of the fields. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So this is
Okay. Understood. Mhm.
okay. So in
Okay,
this
sir.
way you can add on, create everything.
Okay. Mhm.
Okay.
So after that, we can create dashboard also, sir. Means after completing this every every everything, pivot chart, and after that we can create again dashboard now using charts.
Yes. You can create dashboards. Yes, exactly.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Vedai. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Vedai.
Hi, Abhishek sir. How are you?
All good. All good. How are you?
I'm fine. I have like few questions. First, like we connect with LinkedIn and we need to change my profile.
Mm-hmm.
But I live in USA, probably you know or not. I'm not sure.
Mm-hmm.
But I need to renew my work permit. So I already submit my work permit, but it's not. I'm waiting for that. So right now I can make any status to working or not. That's why
Okay.
I
Okay.
just need that stuff. And second thing, like you guys give like so many like AI things to do, like the apps, right? Like 11 Lab, and I try yesterday one is Sora. So whenever we try something, is not let me go inside. They say you need to buy. Is it lovable? I not get the 30 the cred thing either, and so many stuff I have to problem. I'm not sure because of I'm here and you guys there, that's why, or what's going on. I don't understand the stuff.
Hmm.
So whenever I try to practice something, and is I have suffered like so many problem to every apps. They say you need to buy something.
Got it. Got it. Hmm.
So especially in Canva right now, I try to do like free stuff whatever I can
Hmm.
to stay home. So I try to do like affiliate marketing right now in online. But in a Canva I can't make a video either. I
Okay.
try in a 11 Lab, and it's not let me in two, because they say you need to like buy the website,
Mhm.
otherwise you can't do it anything.
Okay.
So they
Okay.
don't let me practice in that.
Okay. Give me a text on LinkedIn. I'll provide you a resource where you can edit these videos for free. Okay. Give me a chat on LinkedIn.
So that's why yeah. And yesterday in 26th, I don't find out when we have a class and when we don't have a class,
Ah.
because sometime in this month I have like three time I have problem. The 1st of January,
Hmm.
21st of January, and 26th I don't get like any before message. And whenever I try to contact you guys, is going to the automatic, the whatever you have. And it's really, I personally like you guys, but I just say you need to improve your service, because you are working with software, but they continuously give us like same message, and you give us learn us how to work with AI. So AI not work like that way. We don't like, if your service is like that, then what we expect with you.
Makes sense.
So like I'm not happy with this thing. That's why I just not contact you. Whenever I got, whenever I need to join you, the guy make me to, that's like you get the good service and everything. That's why I join you. But still don't get any answer. And when I try to tell somebody I need to learn little deep in Canva, they say go to the ChatGPT and then learn, or they can get the video. If I need to learn like that in online, then why I need to join you? That's
Agree.
make a sense?
Yeah.
If I need to do like everything in YouTube and Google, I can do it, buddy. I don't need to join you guys to pay that much money.
Yeah, makes
I
sense.
need a one. That's why if I have a question, I can ask you. That's why I join you. I try to contact you like so many days ago, and then that's why right now I personally text you. Please connect me, because I'm trying to contact with you someone. When you learn something like I did for Saturday, Sunday, what is my classes, but after that I can't practice my class because of I can't get any link, or like I get the link, but I can't, whatever the apps is not let me do it anything. So if I not practice, what is the meaning?
Agreed. Okay, Vedri. Let
I'm sorry if I sound little rude. I'm sorry, is my voice is like little.
No, that's all right. That's all right. Okay, let me talk to the support team. What exactly is the issue that you are facing? You can let me know on LinkedIn. I was getting too many DMs. That's why I missed your DM. But I found out
Yeah.
your DM. So yeah, I
No,
have
you replied me like 2 times, so we always contact me, and then after we lose the contact. So I think you are busy. I'm not sure, but
yeah, I was
still,
traveling.
like
Hmm.
I'm not disappointed with you, but all the team is not going to work out. Like we are in there, then after you guys have a more responsibility to how we feel. But then after you just like, okay, they are in, then when they going, and this is not good service, you know.
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, agreed. Cool. Okay, let me talk to the support team. What exactly is going wrong here, and I'll get back to you. Okay.
And every time, like you have a 3 or 4, I have in WhatsApp, like the link, and every time I go any message thing, they just say we are in automated automated AI. I understand automated AI, but when we join, they say whenever you ask, they have already idea what they need to answer, but they don't answer what we ask. They just answer we are automatic or AI, automatic AI. What is that meaning? They, if they have a really upgraded, like sorry to say, but I feel like whatever I join right now is not comparing here, because here the people are so fast and so high. Because I am in affiliate marketing and I see like so many other video, and they have like particular idea. If they are automated, still if you give them one question, they have a proper answer.
Right.
They
Right.
are not personally answer, they are automated, but still they have answer proper.
Yeah, I think the
So probably I feel like I whatever I join you is not give me a good growth, whatever I need, whatever I need to join the other people. So I need that kind growth to connect with here people.
Got it. Got it. Cool. Makes sense. I think the bot was hallucinating. I think that can be the possible issue. I'll check it with the backend team. Why the hallucination is there exactly. And I'll try to look into that. Okay. Yeah. And on the service side, I'll talk to the support team. Why exactly the issue is not getting resolved. Yeah. I'll try to talk to them. Yeah. Okay. Whether he does that sounds good.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank
Sorry
you.
for that. I'm really sorry,
No
but
worries.
So
Yeah,
tired for everything.
yeah. No worries, no worries. I
Thank
understand.
you.
Cool.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you. Okay. We can move to next. Hi, Rakesh. Guys, we'll try to make it quick. Try not to avoid have any follow-up questions as such, because that is something that always happens with us in the last of the.
Sir, I'm audible.
Yeah, Rakesh, you are audible. Please.
Sir, my one of my friend started a newly nursery training center. He asked me for make some AI-based learning system. How can I do this? Can you guide me? Can you guide me from where can I start?
What exactly you want to make?
Uh, mm, for nursery student, one AI-based learning system.
Okay. Yeah. I did you watch the AI Studio demo that I just showcased? Did you get a chance to? Did you watched it when I was explaining to the candidate?
Google AI Studio I have used, and I do some my stuff for my BLDC motor testing system.
Yeah.
I have a small repairing shop. Uh, for BLDC motor repairing, I make a app and testing system to detect fault using Gemini
Mm.
and Arduino based one testing system which read the motor or different parameter and generate actual what is the actual fault.
Mm-hmm.
Then I
Mm-hmm.
process repairing.
Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. So I think yeah, you can do the similar kind of thing with this as well. Yeah, you can do the same thing with this as well. You can like you can look into this. You can see it is creating the nursery based AI learning platform, and yeah, it will start. Hmm. Yeah, it will start creating the things, and there is the code that it will start creating.
Uh,
Hmm.
Sir, just suggest me one web page is web application is preferable or mobile application will be preferable.
See, that completely depends upon your use case. Both have their pros and cons. App need to be downloaded. App deploying an app for free on Play Store is sometimes difficult. You have to send it in the form of APK file to every candidate, every
Yeah.
student, and then they will download it. If you are not buying the Play Store premium, uh, whereas on the website you can there are a lot of free resources, free platforms. Like for example, if you look into Google AI Studio itself, if I click on this deploy app button, this particular app will get deployed easily, right? So yeah, so this is how uh yeah, this is how it works, and it can be learned easily, and yeah, you can like deploy it very easily. So it depends upon your use case, what exactly is your use case.
Sir, when
Mhm.
I would try to deploy, there is asking for some permissions um, like if take it some premium fee, for subscription. Why this is nothing is free is possible because my friend also started just started.
No, there
I
is
can't.
there are things free available. Like you can, let's say we deployed we you can put this app. Okay, let's say you created this app on Google AI Studio. You can
Uh,
either you can go with the you can purchase $1 or $2, like $1 or $2, like 170 or 80 rupees or 150 rupees, like that. Okay, or
okay.
what you can do is you can then go to the settings, and you can then deploy the application as well. You can
On
I
GitHub.
uh, hmm, yeah, on GitHub as well. You can deploy the application for free from GitHub as well, if you want to do it with GitHub. If you want to do it with Google AI Studio, you can do it with Google AI Studio as well.
Okay.
Yeah, so it depends upon wherever you want, you can get that done. Okay.
For idea generation and rectification, which platform will be the very much suitable?
idea generation
and idea rectification.
ChatGPT would be the best one. You can use AI
ChatGPT,
Studio, Copilot, any of these
Copilot.
applications. Yeah, any of these applications will work. They are, I think, all good.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I hope that answers your doubt. Hi, Abdul. Abdul. Hello. Guys, it is high time, so please be near to your laptop if you are raising your hand. I will ask you to unmute, but we can't wait for long. Okay, Abdul, no worries. You can raise your hand again. I will ask you to unmute. Hi, Ankit.
Hi, Abhishek. Yeah,
Yes.
Abhishek. Actually, I am asking that how we can write a research paper from which platform? Like as on oncology, I want to write a research paper. Then how I can use it? Where I can write? Because I am trying to ask that some lady asked now that they are asking to query, but your bot is giving some other answers. Okay, so same issue I am facing, but there is no support.
No. What exactly you are looking at? I didn't get you.
I want to write research
Research
papers.
paper.
Okay, like
Okay.
as on oncology,
Mm-hmm.
I want to write research paper. So how I can use AI? Which platform I have to use?
Mm, for writing a research paper, there is no as such platform that you have to write a research paper. There are conferences and
In
journals
general,
where you can write research papers. Um, for you, a good idea can be connect with some of the MTech students from different colleges. Um, right, they generally have to write a research papers in their masters, so you can get in touch with them, and they can help you and they can join you in their field, and where you can write your research paper.
So from AI, I can't get any help.
See, AI written research paper won't be this uh won't be unique or won't be novel, right, in the sense, right?
No,
So
so changes I can make means like as I know about that, but
mm,
you know that which is the best platform which I can use.
yeah, there are a lot of platforms, like, see, that's what I'm saying. There are from the AI you want to write the paper.
Yeah.
No, I have never used AI to write a paper, research paper, or my book or my patent. Because whatever AI gives is like most of the time it's not novel solution that it will come up. You can take an idea from AI, like what are the topics I can write a research paper, how to design a research paper. I have taken idea about the headings. What are the headings I can have in my research paper? I sometimes review my research paper. I summarize other research papers from the AI, right? So I use AI for these kind of things, but not for writing a research paper, because of course it is not going to give me a novel solution at the end of the day. So it won't be a good idea to write a research paper with AI, and even if you write it, it won't get published in any of the international journals. So they will detect AI and they will reject it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Ankit? Yeah. Mm,
Okay.
yeah. So
Okay. Thanks. And
yeah.
one more request. Actually, please make this platform interactive because that bot is not working as expected. Okay. Someone should be reply on that query whatever we are doing. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
So
Yeah, that bot has
uh,
seems like it has
because
some response.
before purchasing that B10X course, I got some negative reviews. After that, I buy, but I am I am facing same issue.
Got it.
So make this interactive.
Yeah,
This is
sure.
my request.
Yeah, sure, Ankit. I'll look into it. Most probably there is some hallucination that is coming in between, so I'll look into that. Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Yeah, thank you. Hi, Nutan.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you now.
Yeah, my question is how to access old Q&A session recordings from LMS.
You can go to LMS and then access it. You are not able to find it anywhere on.
No, old recordings I am not getting. The thing is, the what you are giving in Q&A session, those subject we have not covered. So
Okay.
when you cover that, I can go through that in Q&A session if I get the
Okay.
recordings.
Okay. See, the Q&A sessions, even they are like open. Okay. There might be cases where you might not have heard of these topics.
Yeah.
But yeah. But
How
yeah,
to get
they,
the recordings? I don't
yes.
know.
Um,
Same thing happened in Brainfish. I asked that question. It is
hmm.
showing that go to your account and try daily. I
Yeah. So
can
if you
cannot
don't have
see
the
anything like that.
See, if you are enrolled in a particular course which does not cover a particular topic, then you won't be able to find the recording. If your course covers a particular topic
Okay.
that someone else is mentioning, then of course the recording will be there. So do
Oh,
check
which are
before you.
relevant to our course
Right,
is
right.
only
Of course,
displayed.
of
Okay.
course.
Okay.
See, we can't like if you purchase a particular course, it's not like you will get the recording for all the courses that are there on the platform, right?
Okay.
So yeah, and it is a mixed crowd. So if and anyone can answer anything, ask anything, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
No, no, no. My question is,
Mm-hmm.
after I finish that live session course, if
Hmm.
I get if I have those questions in that Q&A session, how to access that? That's my
See,
question.
recordings will be there for lifetime. Okay.
Yeah,
Uh,
that's what I am not able to access those Q&A session recordings.
these Q and A's that we are having.
Yeah, yeah.
Ah, okay, but that these Q and A's must be there. I think most of you are already able to see those Q and A sessions. Okay, check with the support team once, like why exactly you are not able to see Q and A on your platform.
Okay.
Because 99% of the chances, like you have to you if you are attending it, if it is a part of your course, you would be able to see it by
Okay.
any chance.
One
Yeah.
more question is, I have attended all the live sessions. Okay,
Hmm.
but in the LMS portal, attendance it is displayed. No, it's only showing 25% attendance. Why is that so?
I am not sure how the does the
Yeah,
attendance.
I raised the ticket through the Brainfish,
Yes. Yes.
and also have mailed the issue, but
Huh.
I didn't get any answer from your side.
Okay, okay, okay. Let me talk to the support team.
Okay.
Why exactly this is happening?
Yeah, the attendance counts, right?
Yeah, attendance counts. Yes.
Yeah. I have attended all the courses, live sessions from
Mhm.
17th Jan. Four sessions were there. All
Mhm.
the sessions I have attended, but it's showing only 25%.
Got it, got it. Let me see from the team like, and like what exactly is going wrong here. Okay,
Yeah, I didn't get any mail, reply mail regarding this.
got it, got it. Cool. I'll check with that. I'll check
Okay.
on with them. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you,
Cool.
Abhishek.
Cool.
That
Yeah.
was my issue.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, some people are asking me to take my questions. Everyone, Sagar, Sweeti, Swati, Peter, Mir, everyone who are next, like you will be getting your chance, and I will be unmuting you once I am up with like it is a first come first ask basis, right? If you raise your hand first, I will be giving you the opportunity first. So it's like that. So yeah, that is how it works. Yeah. So please wait for your turn, I would say. It will be coming in few minutes. Hi, Rupa.
Hey, hello, Abhishek.
Yeah.
I have a few questions today.
Hmm.
First of all, the same thing which earlier some like she said,
Hmm.
like even though we are attending the sessions, it is showing the percentage of 91 percentage we haven't attended. All it's the circle showing red, but which we have attended. That is one thing.
Hmm.
And can I share my screen for few? Is that fine for you? For
Yeah.
few.
Yeah. Is it a bigger doubt? Or
No, the thing is,
okay.
if I
Mm-hmm.
in the all courses, right? If I'm not able to the host allowing you need to, I think, allow me to share the screen, Abhishek.
Yes, yes, yes. Of course.
No, it's only no.
Mm-hmm.
So even though we have these things, I'm not able to replace the current and share. Yeah. So yeah. So see, here, even though I need to complete all these self-learning sessions, right? All courses. If we click here, okay, the content, it should load and process, right? That is not happening here, Abhishek.
Okay, got it.
All the courses I blocked.
Hmm.
And that is one thing. And other thing is about attendance. And along with that, as I'm interested in AIML, like to convert my career. So
Mhm.
along whatever the recording sessions which has been happened in this course, is that fine? Or can you guide me any few other links kind of things for ML, so that let me understand that if I can go through that? Any videos or thing can you suggest me? Let me go through 1 or 2 days. Then if I get the content, then it will be easy to, for me, it will be easy to involve into my current project and I can explain in interviews, right, Abhishek? That's all that help I need from you.
Sure, sure, sure.
Yeah.
Sure. You can send me a text mentioning this on LinkedIn. I'll send you some.
Uh-huh. Okay, sure. That's all from mine. Yeah. Thanks, Abhishek.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, I got the idea, guys. Most of you are having the attendance issue one. Most of you are having the issue with the LMS two. Okay, if these are your doubts, you can put down your hand. Okay, I will try to talk to the support team and try to get some update on this. Okay, but if that your doubt, please lower down your hand, because this Q&A is mostly for the technical help that I can do from my end, right? So this is not for the QA support thing. So yeah, so but still I get your doubts. I will take an action, and I will like escalate this to the team. Okay, so yeah, but if this is your doubt, I don't know, it will waste our time. So please lower down your hand if you want to ask, only if you have the Q&A and all attendance issue only, right? I get the idea. I'm getting a lot of texts, so I get the idea on that. So I'm good with that. I will let you know. But yeah, if you have any technical understanding doubt, I'm more up for that. Cool. Hi, Swati.
Hi Abhishek. My question is I'm a full stack developer and using Visual Studio. So which
Hmm.
AI inbuilt tool we can use to solve my problems faster? I use ChatGPT sometime, but we need to do prompt and write a small piece of code, copy and paste on the ChatGPT. Which inbuilt tool we can use with the Visual Studio?
Yeah, there are a lot of tools, Swati, actually.
I use Copilot, but I'm
Hmm.
not getting the
Copilot,
for the
Copilot hallucinates a lot. Better would be you can use ChatGPT, integrate with it, or you can use Amazon Q. Amazon Q is also a good one. So yeah, go for Amazon Q. Go for ChatGPT integration. Yeah, you will see way better results than that.
Okay, and which tool I can use for the SQL queries? My SQL is not very good,
Hmm.
but in my professional life, I also need to write the stored procedure. Sometime I need to fix long stored procedures. So I'm not getting the any AI tool which help me in the SQL.
Okay, okay. There are a lot of AI tools, like GitHub Copilot is there, best for generating, helping the app side code and migration. Cursor also have it.
No,
Cursor
no,
has
I'm exactly for the SQL part.
yeah. Ever SQL is the one. Okay.
Which one?
Ever SQL. I will write the name in the chat. Don't worry.
Okay,
Yeah, I'll write the name of the chat.
okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Uh,
Anything else? Sorry.
yeah, one more.
Mhm.
Which specific you can recommend the tool for generating the videos for the content writing? Please give me the whole solution, not the part solution.
Okay, got it, got it. Cool. You can let me for that. You can let me know on my LinkedIn. I will send you that.
Okay, can you ping me the LinkedIn ID, please? on the
Sure. I will send you that. Yeah, I'll send you that. Yeah, done. Well sent.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. Hi, Peter. Finally, you are here.
Hello, hi Abhishek. Hi, this is
Yes.
Peter here. Abhishek, see, I've been asking your support team since very long time. I have to prepare reports, right? And the reports, like I have about 150 to 180 photo, more than 100, like 100 photographs. I have to insert in a particular cell in the Excel. And your interactive your sessions are basically some of the Q&A sessions are not interactive, as many of the people have said. And the support, back support, whatever you want is not working. So you really have to work on this one and keep this sessions only for Q&A. Like, okay, this is one thing. My Excel sheet, whatever is there, I want to insert in a particular cell maybe 100, 200 photographs. And if I go to align each of them, it takes a lot of time. So is there any way which I can automate? I can, what folders I want to copy, I select them into one, make a one folder, and then by one some command or something, all the photographs go in that particular cell. The description I will write because I have to prepare a defect report. So the description I will write because AI cannot tell me what defect it is.
Correct.
Definitely, but at least the if that resizing and all that is a pain. It's a pain in Excel to resize, put insert in that, click here, insert. It takes a lot of efforts. Same thing I asked your the person who made me to join the course. I wanted to prepare a report in Word also. Word, if I want to prepare a report and align the photographs quite well, what is a tool? What is a tool for that? Okay,
Yeah.
this is my first question. Second question is, I know I normally extract a report from a software that is projecting the budgets for the particular company, like, and there are various allocations of the budget, like, and I have to collect in one sheet. I have the total budget which is there for the entire year. Okay, that means maybe 100 rupees I have to spend for the entire year. And the other budget I have every month or every week I have to collate, like, not this month I have spent 5 rupees. But in that sheet it tells me, like, okay, this one will go in this stores, this one will go in the electrical stores. But I want something that will collate like these both data together, and can give me, like, at any point of time I can extract that from the software and tell me, okay, now I'm having this spending, this much money I have to spend in this budget. So is there anything like this which can help me to automate my work? Because Rahul and all who is there over there, they are really not helping me. I'm calling them up since it's luckily I got a chance to speak with you. And please don't keep those sessions one way traffic. Keep it very interactive, so I can only make it short so that everyone gets a question. Okay.
Okay. This one you are mentioning to make it interactive, this Q&A.
Yes, Q&A, make it interactive, like how it is being done. Like, this is like, but few sessions are, very monotonous. Person is talking. He talks what he wants. That is on Saturday, Sunday also. You all are same thing. One person says good, good, good. Okay, we understand. Okay, but there is only one way traffic. Then this session should be a two-way. What problems we are
Uh,
facing and what problems should be addressed to you. That's the reason why we are here. As most of the earlier candidates have also told, this is not at all work
Correct.
helping out.
Correct. Okay. If you look into my session, what are your comments on that? Like the
Uh,
way we
uh,
take on Wednesdays.
On Wednesdays, I think this is the first time I've attended live. Normally, I
Ah,
always see
okay.
I always see a back through. I always go back and see the old ones because
Ah,
that's the reason why.
okay.
Particularly, I have come after work. I come made a point. But
Correct.
I,
Correct.
if it is live, it is okay. But if one person is saying his own thoughts, it doesn't work. So
No, I
let
think.
us.
Mhm.
Yes.
Most see got the idea, Peter. So most of our Q&As that we try to keep it engaging. Like for if you see this particular Q&A, if I have to show you a demo to anyone, I open Google AI Studio, I post it to GitHub. I try to keep it. They can share their screen, I can share my screen, and we keep it interactive. Okay, that is my way of taking the Q&A. I think other instructors also try to follow the same thing.
No, they don't. And this question I've been put up in the LMS software also since almost 1.5 months. I'm behind 1 month, actually, more than 1 month. I'm asking them, please, because you all know much better. I'm a total zero person in this field. I just want my work to be faster. So that's the reason why I've joined. I don't have any personal interest or something, but I want my work to be much automated. And if you all can't help me out, then really I would better join some personal other institutes who can really teach me one by one. The reason I'm here because if you all can really help me out in these things.
Sure, sure. Get the idea. Got the idea. Cool, cool. I will check why other Q and A's are not going in that way, but I think they should be going in the same direction.
Negative.
Okay. I'll look into that, Peter. But for your first doubt that you mentioned about inserting the images, I don't think. See, at the end of the day, the every problem that we face as a human, AI is not always the solution. Okay, try not to look everything from an AI perspective. Like there would be an AI tool for doing everything that we do, right? There are much simpler solutions. Before AI, there existed all these problems, and we have been solving all these problems. Okay, like inserting multiple images in the Excel in a particular format, in a particular size, in a particular row, in a particular column, and in a particular whatever we want. Basically, customize it, right? So how
Okay.
we were doing it, we were doing it with using the Python scripts. Okay, Python is a very powerful language, and the power of Python you come to know when you work with cross platform things like that. Okay, so one of the cross platform thing is the same thing that I'm going to send you in the chat. Okay, if you see in the chat, I have sent you um yeah, if you see, this is the document that I have sent you in the chat. You can refer to this particular document. It will help you to insert multiple images in your Excel. If you run this Python script, just try to change the path, just try to change where exactly you want in the Excel sheet, and it will help you to get there.
Okay, so all the photographs will come in the particular row column, and then it will be
Yeah, you
like
can
that.
customize it basically. This is a way
Okay.
of inserting one thing. Okay, now you can
Because,
customize it as per your requirement, like you want in a
okay. I
column.
will try. Definitely, I'll try it out. Definitely. Thanks a lot for this.
Thank you, Peter.
And what about in Word? In Word, if I want like in one page
Similar
six
kind of thing.
photographs and
Yeah,
20, and I have 200 or multiple
doesn't
600
matter.
photographs to put.
Doesn't matter.
Will this help out?
May it be 200 lakhs. It doesn't matter.
Okay, understood.
Yeah.
And what about my second question? I have two sheets. One sheet which is showing projected amount I have to spend for the entire year. One sheet which I extract from my software, the budget, like in electrical stores, in mechanical stores, in some like spare parts or something. If I want that, so how is it going to help or something?
Yeah. Again, there you can write a Python script that would take the data from one script, a particular part of it,
I
calculate.
don't know Python. I don't know Python.
Okay.
So
Yeah, but you can give a prompt to ChatGPT to write it. Okay. Or let's do one thing. Write your query, the second query. Okay. What exactly you want from both the sheets. Okay. Write it in the form of English. Okay. And send me over on my LinkedIn. I will send you the code for it. Okay.
okay,
The Python code that will work.
okay.
Okay. This
I
is
will.
the document that I have sent you here.
Okay.
Okay. Or you can,
Abhishek.
yeah, instead of,
Abhishek is the name, no? Parmani. Okay, I will see. I will just send it on your LinkedIn.
sure. Or you can do it if you want the reply right now. You can send me here in the Zoom chat. Just write it in the form of English and send me there. I'll prepare a document and send you right away.
Okay. It's just for my understanding, and I know that, but why is it why not these sessions be like this kind of so that because Rahul what he was told I called him up yesterday he told me no he's working on this since long and all but you told me within few seconds and why not he could have given me the answer. And when I joined this course I was told that there would be a mentor who would personalize and help me automate my things, but that is not the case. Actually, many people are complaining the same thing. So you really have to work on, I don't know, less of you are having less of manpower or what, but please try to improve your services.
Yeah, sure, Peter. I'll take that as a feedback. I'll look into it. Yeah.
Okay, thanks for help.
Thank you. Hi, Mir.
Hi.
Hi, Mir.
Yeah.
Yes.
See, the classes, the live sessions which trainers are taking,
Mm-hmm.
after the session, they use some presentations and some code, probably code files,
Mm-hmm.
which at the time of live session they use to
Mm-hmm.
explain.
Mm-hmm.
After the session, during the session, they said ki you'll get, don't copy anything. We'll provide these things. So hardly we are not getting those things
Okay,
for
what
practice
exactly
purpose.
you are? Okay,
For
what
practice
exactly?
purpose.
What exactly you are not getting? The code files that mentor asked you.
Yes, yes.
Okay, did you check it on? Did
Yeah,
you?
I've checked in the LMS also.
Ah.
Partial files are there. Only B10X file which they share
Hmm.
before the class, before the session. That file is there available, and they update another file, same file to after pre-post and pre and post. They save
Hmm.
it like that. But the trainer which they are using the files, no, from which
Hmm.
they are explaining the code, they are teaching how to do the things in a proper way. So if we could get that in the next day or after one day, so we can practice at least, no?
Okay, you are getting the file that trainer have asked, like asked that he will upload, but you are not getting the file that trainer
Yes,
itself is using, right?
yes, yes.
Okay, so these are two different things. See, we at a trainer level, we have certain of the personal notes, the career guidelines, the session guidelines that we have. Okay, we call it as a lecture notes that we have in the background that we prepare using a content team, and we have to like we customize it in the form of the delivery that we need to make in the session, right? So that is very different from what we have to share and what is useful as a candidate to you. Okay, so what we use is something different. You might not be able to get the complete idea of the complete topic from the lecture notes that we refer. Okay, but what you are getting is the best version that is required at your end. Okay, please try to like accept that. Okay, because that is what you should be reading it. Okay, lecture notes are not going to help you in any way. They are
No, no,
designed in
I
for
got
us
it,
to how
but
to.
I got it. But the trainer says ki you will get these things, no? If a trainer is willing to share those things, so it should reach to us, no?
No, that's what I initially asked. Like
Yeah.
trainer mentioned few things that would be shared. So are you not getting those things that trainer
Yes,
asked you to share?
yes, yes, yes.
Ah, okay, so that should have been done. You can raise a request with the support team. I'll check with them.
No,
Uh,
every day after the live session, I put a mail. Then 3, 4 days they share these things. So automatically it should come, no? Why should I write the mail? If a
hmm.
live session is conducted, it should come to the next day
Yeah, of course there should be.
automatically. Then when I logged into the LMS, then I get that thing. Then I can start practicing instead of waiting for the thing.
Hmm, correct.
So can you put a request for this from your side?
Yeah, sure, sure.
What is relevant? No, we are not asking the whole thing. What is
Correct.
relevant? What
Yeah, of
trainer
course.
is willing trainer is willing to share? Those things should come so that we can have a look and practice along with the video.
Hmm.
There are certain codes are there. There are some prompts are there which we easily we can copy and practice those things
Yes,
and
exactly.
learn things.
Yeah, it should be there. It should be there. Okay, let me talk
Beside
to.
this, beside this, no, just now you explained one distance, no, Google AI Studio.
Hmm.
What I did, I logged into this and I added my CV into
Hmm.
it
Hmm.
and ask this give a command to make one web page from this extract of my CV.
Hmm.
It is done, but I'm not able to push this to GitHub.
Hmm. Got
Can you
it.
help me on this?
Got it. Got
You
it.
want to share this my screen? Should I share my screen?
No, I got the idea. I got the idea what you are saying. I'll look into this with the team.
No, no. I'm telling you just now in the previous session you explained no how to use GitHub.
Yeah, get up. Yes.
So I opened that no Google AI Studio.
Okay. Okay.
In that
What?
I gave a one command make an web page by using my two-page PDF CV.
Hmm.
I've added that,
Hmm.
and in Google AI Studio it is generated,
Hmm.
and also I've downloaded that also and saved it. But
Hmm.
I'm not able to push into GitHub.
Why? What exactly is the issue you are facing? What
Yeah,
it
it's
is showing?
saying something like this, no?
Hmm. I think your
Expressing
GitHub might not be connected with AI Studio.
something went wrong. Please try logging in again.
So yes, your AI Studio is not connected to your GitHub. Try to connect your AI Studio with your GitHub first.
How can I do that?
Yeah, there is an option in the AI Studio itself. on the top where their GitHub button is there. So you can click on that GitHub button and you will see.
It's saying save to GitHub.
Yes, save to GitHub. But yeah.
When I click this, no, it says it gives that command. Something went wrong. Please try logging in again.
So it means that you are logged out from the AI Studio platform.
AI Studio. No, it's mine.
Okay, share your screen. Share your screen. Let me look into it.
How can I share this?
Yeah, you can click on the share button in the
share
menu.
button.
Yeah.
Share up. There is a code is there. This URL is there. You want me to copy this URL?
Yeah, you can copy the URL.
But this will not be. This will open in the AI Studio. Once I share this thing, it will open in the. I want to push this to GitHub so that I can add any project which I make. Then I can add it to the GitHub. I want to learn that.
Yeah, makes sense. The same way that I showed you, right?
Oh, I have logged out also once from GitHub and again logged in again.
Okay. Okay. Can you share your screen? I will look into it.
Yeah, just a minute. Can you see this?
Yeah, I can see that. Now can you click on GitHub button? There is GitHub. So see, you are already not signed in to GitHub, right? It is asking you to sign into GitHub. That's what I mentioned. Like at least sign into GitHub.
Let's try and sign
Yeah.
into GitHub. Just a minute.
Yeah. So yeah, this is the only problem. Once you
Yeah.
sign in with the GitHub, it will start working. No worries. Okay. And I think you are not signed in with the Google as well. On the
Now
top,
can you
you
see
can
this
see
now?
there is. No, I can't see your screen.
The
Like
GitHub screen is there.
no, I can't see that because you have shared only a window. You have not shared the complete screen. No worries, but I think if you click on the sign in to GitHub, it will be done. Okay.
Now where it will where I'll find this in the GitHub, it will be there. This project.
It will you will be able to see that link on the AI Studio. Let me share my screen. You can see my screen. I will show you where exactly you will see it.
Danger zone. It is showing some danger zone. All repositories, only select repository. Suspended your installation.
No, it's not like that. You see, you are not signed in with Google itself. If you see here on the top, your Google is itself not signed in. Yeah, if you see on the top, your Google, you are not signed in with Google as well. You can see there sign in button. Yeah, try to sign in with there as well.
In AI Studio?
Yeah, in AI Studio. See, let me share my screen. Let me show you what exactly you are not doing right. If you see there, if you see once you are done with this, when we were doing this particular app, okay. Once you connect it with GitHub, save to GitHub, it will show you where exactly it is present. This code is there. Okay, it will show you this. Okay, the link on the top itself. So you don't have to go to anywhere else. Okay, so you need to sign in with.
How the process is? First, I have to sign into GitHub. Then open the AI Studio.
Correct. You first need to sign in with AI Studio. Then you need to sign in with GitHub. Okay. And
Then
then
make
you
the project.
then you then make the project and then click on save to GitHub. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me try.
Same process I have showed you in this recording in this Q&A
Yeah,
few minutes back. Okay. You can go through the same process. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks. Thank you.
Okay. If even if you face issue, you can let me know in the next Q&A.
Yeah. So just ask your the backend team to share those contents second day or whatever time they require. No, at least in a single load they can share, so that we're going to start practicing. No, that will make it easier for us.
Yeah. Sure, sure. Yeah, I'll ask the support team to do that.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Vaibhav.
Hello.
Hi, Vaibhav.
Uh, just want to know that in this last session,
Hmm.
only the Power Pivot and the Power Queries were not involved in data analysis.
Hmm.
Is it a separate model will be available, or it won't be part of this AI program?
Sorry, your Vaibhav, your voice is slightly cracking.
Hello. I was just saying Power Pivot in Excel and the Power Query was not explained while data analysis things were going on. It was stopped at the formula and the uh, pivot table. But further, it was not explained. Like Excel is having feature like power pivots, power queries, how we can use that.
Sorry, man. I can't like hear you properly. You are asking something about power charts and power tables, pivot tables, right? Pivot charts and
Power
pivot.
pivot, power pivot, and the power query.
Okay, power query. Okay, cool, cool.
So that was not shown and explained while giving the data analysis.
Okay. Uh, maybe it will
So
be
that
done. Maybe.
separate session, or it will not be part of this AI tool.
Okay, maybe it will be done in the next upcoming sessions, or it is not a part of the curriculum. I'm not sure on that. If it is not a part of curriculum, it won't be covered. If it is a part of curriculum, it will be covered definitely.
And data analysis is one of Power Query is one of the highest demand tool for the data analysis. So I was thinking that the generative AI will help me for this Power Query, DAX language, and the end query.
Mm-hmm.
That
Okay.
was not clear at all.
Okay. You can text me on LinkedIn. I will send you the video for Power Query if you want to learn it separately.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Abru. Yeah. Hi, Sarita.
Uh, Hello, sir. Good evening.
Hello. Very good evening.
So my basic question is like, since I am doing a transition into data analytics role, so for practicing the data, if I download the data sets from kaggle.com,
Mm-hmm.
and if you can guide me that which platform can help me to take out the insights of that particular data, because if I want to make a project wherein for the interviewer I have to give a presentation on the soft skills, the insights, and on that matter. So if you can guide at which platform I can use it, which can give me little guidance at how to give the insightfulness and how I can present the data in more lucrative way.
I think there are many platforms that you can use, but why to use a platform when you can create your own? You can go to AI Studio, ask him to create a data analysis platform. There's the same thing that we did already in the session, and it can give you whatever analysis that you want. So, are you still looking for a You want to create a platform of your own, or you want some AI tool to create the analysis for you?
No, I want to create an AI tool. I need an AI tool for creating anything, not the platform required.
Okay, okay, got the idea. Got the idea. If you want a specific AI tool, see, ChatGPT can do it. Okay, Copilot, all these tools can do it. Okay, then there is GPT enabled Excel. GPT has this Google. It can be integrated to Google Sheet. It can be integrated to CSV that you are having a data right now, right? Then there is Tableau Ask Data Discovery. Then there is ThoughtSpot. There is Zoho Analytics AI. There is Power BI Q&A. These are some of the tools that you can directly use, and you can get the uh, insights. Then there is Wizplot. Yeah, these kind of tools are there which you can use, and you can get the idea for the analysis.
Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Cool, guys. Yeah, Gunjan.
Hi, hi Abhishek.
Hi, Gunjan.
I I just want to confirm one thing that the tools provided by the big techs without using they have expired within a limit. And the second thing, attendance that you have already discussed. Third
Mm-hmm.
thing, I'm in a finance department.
Okay.
Okay, as a taxation person.
Mm-hmm.
So whenever I go to the freelancing platform, they wanted to get the certificate as a financial professional certificate like CPA, CA, CFA. So without this, I'm not able to do any freelance project. So
Okay.
I need your help. Which tool I can use to showcase my services to them so that I can get freelance project because right now I am looking for a job. So I was not working for last 2.5 years. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to uh, look for new job. So need some updated things to upgrade my skills so that
Okay.
the things will be easy for me to get it done in a faster mode. So whenever I go to use the GitHub या आपका N18, so they all shows that you need to subscribe the uh, tool for using the things. So I want to know which tool I can use to make the finance related freelance project to show them that these projects will be done by me, like either in a taxation consultancy or pre-tax return summary, GST return summary, so that they knows what I have done and what I can done. It will be easy for them to give me the project because in a Upwork or freelancer, they are providing me the things like project accounting projects for a 6 to 7 hour or things bidding, pre-tax returns, GST returns, reconciliation, project basis.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
I want to know what projects I can prepare to show them so that I can get the details by which tool.
Okay, okay, good then. There is no single tool that will analyze your resume. There is only one tool that you can use, that is LinkedIn. You can send me a hi on LinkedIn, send me your resume on LinkedIn. I'll go through your profile and I'll
Okay.
suggest you the projects that you need to do. And yeah, I'll suggest you the way how you can do those projects. Yeah.
Okay, because I also want to know one thing that I have used a B10X ATS resume checker, so by which I have prepared my resume. But the thing is, when I sent to the finance head of one company, he told me it shows only 62 by 100 categorized, but at the resume checker on BTEX, it shows 92.
Okay. Hmm.
So it's a huge gap. Due to this, my resume get rejected from many companies. That was This is a brilliant stroke that I have sent my resume
Hmm.
direct to finance side. So he checked, and after checking the resume, he told me that this resume is not ATS based resume. So you
Hmm.
need to upgrade because it's only 62 by 100. So I want to know what is the gap between 62 and 92 because BTech Next it shows 92 and other tools that recruiters use it shows 62. So there is a huge gap. We need to work on
Completely.
that as well. And one thing is very disappointing for B10X that every time we raise the question, we are not able to get the answer. And they told us you will get the reply on your question as soon as possible, but the reply will sometimes I get almost 15 days later. That is not valuable at that time when I need the answer now. and I will get the answer after 15 days, that is not eligible, or so I might be a little bit disappointed when I joined the webinar. They told us that you will get these things, you will get this time, but all other things are like it goes down and down day by day. So everyone says that things will grow day by day, but I am feeling like we are going down day by day. Whenever we ask help, they told us okay, we'll get back to, but वो get back कभी आता नहीं है.
Got it.
So
ठीक है.
these are the things we are facing. I Today is my first session with you as a one-on-one. That was very good session. At least we can discuss our problem as well as with you, because on another sessions just once person is speak, and whenever we ask, they told us there is lot of person who is asking, will get back to you. So the प्रॉब्लम इज जब क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर में हम क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं, वो क्वेश्चन तभी आंसर नहीं हो पा रहा है और वो 15 दिन बाद आंसर हो गया, तो प्रॉब्लम तो ये है कि ना, मैं तो 15 दिन डिले हो गई ना.
Got it. Got it. No, makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, I'll talk to the team.
I know you are facing lot of issues, and today that everybody told us the problem, and the technical round goes to the supporting section. I know you are facing a lot of problem, but the thing is, if you are going to help us today, so it will be a good for us, because we joined in December, and now we have joined the freedom fighter. So we ask for them, okay, how can we delay our session, because we are in a finding job. There is no reward. At the time of session, they told us the we will inform you for new batch so that you can join. But there is no information till then. And the batch will be start from 7th February for freedom fighter. So where is the communication? There is a huge gap between communication. So it will create a lot of misunderstandings.
Correct. 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 That's the
Or
idea.
yeah, free session tools are seriously not working. All are just mentioning they are expired without using.
Got it. Got it.
So please, I will message you. Please
Huh.
help me on that.
Sure. 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 You can text
Thank
me on
you.
LinkedIn. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Gunjan. Okay. Cool team. So sorry I couldn't take all the doubts today. Satish, Shailendra, Shaha, Sanket, and Minakshi, Abdul, Mohammed. Sorry, guys, I can't take all of your doubts. I think that we are already exceeded the time. So thank you very much for attending the session. Apologies that I couldn't take your doubts today. I tried to keep it as interactive as possible and try to cover the maximum doubts. But yeah, there are at the end of the day some doubts that are left. So Um, okay, cool. So that please fill the feedback form. You have a feedback form for this session that we have, the one-to-one Q&A that we have today. So, and I will try to cover that, all your doubts in the next Q&A. Okay, you can reach out to me on LinkedIn. You have my LinkedIn already. Please fill the feedback form for this Q&A for me, and yeah, I will love to hear from you, and I would love to see you in the next week, same time, Wednesday. And yeah, the session for Q&A for me, the timings would remain similar on Wednesday around 6 p.m. Okay, so you can check on that time. Okay, cool, cool. Thank you, guys. Thank you for understanding. Thank you for being there till the end of the session, and would love to see you in the next session. And yeah, have a good day. And please fill the feedback form and let me know. Give a thumbs up once you have filled that. Okay, cool, guys. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.